Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do sweetened puffed rice. For this, let us take a quarter cup of fried gram and fry this until it is slightly brown. Frying will enhance the taste of the fried gram. This is ready, let us take it out. Now take a pan, add a teaspoon of ghee in it. We are going to fry a quarter cup of chopped coconut in this ghee. This is ready, we can take it out. Add some more ghee into the pan. We are going to fry a cup of flattened rice in this ghee. Flattened rice is also ready. We'll use all these fried items later, set them aside. Now take a pan, add 1.5 cups of jaggery. To this add a cup of water. The jaggery got completely melted, but we need a soft ball consistency. Add few drops of jaggery into the water. This should not get mixed and even you can roll it as a soft ball. When you attain this consistency, you can switch off the flame. You can filter and transfer the syrup into another pan. To this add half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Keep the flame low, mix this well and switch off the flame. To this let us add all the fried items. And finally 3 cups of puffed rice. Give everything a nice mix. So here the sweetened puffed rice is ready. This will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.